If CapCut is showing error code 1005, don't worry, because this usually means there's a network sync problem or a cache issue, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. We'll clear CapCut's cache, switch your network to bypass a connection block, and reset your login so you can get back to editing as quickly as possible. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes and CapCut tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device and wait for it to fully load. Once you're inside the app, look for the Settings button in the top right corner and click it. In Settings, go to the Cache tab. This area shows you how much temporary data CapCut has stored, and if that data becomes corrupted, it can trigger error code 10005. To clear it, click the trash can icon next to the cache size. CapCut will ask you to confirm the action, so click OK to remove the cached files. After that, close CapCut completely and restart it. This simple step often fixes the issue right away because it forces the app to rebuild fresh data instead of loading broken cache files. If the error is still there, the next thing to try is switching networks. Sometimes CapCut can fail to sync properly on a specific Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, especially if the network is restricted or unstable. Disconnect from your current Wi-Fi or unplug your Ethernet connection if you're using one. Then connect your device to a mobile hotspot or another internet connection. Once you're connected, relaunch CapCut and check if the error is gone. If CapCut opens normally, that's a strong sign the problem was caused by your original network. You can then switch back to your normal network once everything is working. While you're troubleshooting the network, make sure to turn off any active VPN or proxy. These tools can sometimes block CapCut from connecting properly, and that can also lead to sync errors. If you have a VPN running, disable it temporarily and try launching CapCut again. In many cases, just removing the VPN or switching to a cleaner connection is enough to solve the problem. Now let's move on to the final fix, which is resetting your login. In CapCut, click your profile icon, then choose Sign Out. After that, close the app completely so it resets the session properly. Open CapCut again and sign in with your account one more time. This refreshes your login session and can fix account-related sync issues that cause error code 10005. If CapCut was stuck on a bad authentication state, signing out and back in usually clears it. So to recap, if you see CapCut error code 1005, start by clearing the cache, then switch networks, turn off any VPN or proxy, and finally reset your login by signing out and back in. These are the quickest and most effective steps to get CapCut working again without unnecessary hassle. If this video solved your problem, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.